Lily with Dad on the computer. Lily playing her expensive toy from her cousin Lucas. Lily's been having explosive farts. And I shouldn't hate me for saying that. Hi, mamas. Hi. Hi, poor hiccups. Right, she's paying attention to me and not the game. Do something amazing, Lily. Say something to the camera. What are you kicking?